Keep it tight on the left. Watch the overhang, clear by 2 meters. All right, hold it right there. That's good, move up. Okay, move the boom to the east section now. Make sure the flow rate is steady. Watch the level in column 3. Move the hose left, watch the rebar. Okay, crane, bring it down easy.
All right, easy now, bring it up another 10 meters. Watch the clearance on the east side. Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance on the east side.
A little more to the left, hold it there.
We're almost at the top. Slow it down. Okay, looking good.
Hold it right there, we're clear on this side.
Roger, holding position. Send the next one up.
Keep it coming, steady flow.
All right, move the next truck up now.
Check the tension on this connection point. The readout is fluctuating.
It's within tolerance, but the damping needs review.
All right, swing it over. I'm on the wrench. Secure the connection point now. Clear the deck, we're bringing it in. Watch the alignment on the far side. Looks good, set it down easy.
Easy now, slight rotation to the west. Watch the clearance. Confirm descent.
All right, bring it up slowly now. Watch the tension on the east side.
Copy that, increasing power to crane 2.
Watch the alignment on the next panel.
Okay, bringing it up now.
Bring the tanker back another 2 feet.
We need more cable over here now.
Copy that, sending it over.
Hold it steady now, just a few more centimeters.
Okay, locking mechanism engaged on the left side.
Slow down the pour on the left. Okay, move it to the right. Here, we're clear to the right. All right, engage the hydraulics. Tension set. Moving steady.
I hereby declare the majestic Peak Bridge officially open.
250, please. Thank you. Have a safe drive.
This tea is very refreshing on a warm day like this.
Great, I'll try one. We've been on the road for hours.
All right, folks, welcome to the scenic route. Enjoy the view.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the rebar on the east side. Copy that. Moving up 5 feet.
Check the tension on that lower bolt. It's tight now. Ready for the next panel. Keep the pressure steady at 95. Roger that. Holding steady. Back up slowly. Watch the pipe on your left. Clear. Keep the pressure steady.
We are clear for closure.
Proceed slowly. Keep the tension steady on the cables.
Check the tension on that one. Looks good from here.
How about the weld just above it?
Watch the load, bring it down slowly. All right, easy now.
Crane, hold position at level 42. We need to secure the mesh.
Roger that, holding steady.
All right, slowly lift the tension. Copy that, lifting now. All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the far end, swing it right.
Bridge span secured on this end.
Copy that. Moving the next section up. Watch the clearance on the left.
Keep it coming, we need more over here.
Watch the edge, slow down a bit.
All right, moving to the next section now.
More tension on line 4. Go up by 5.
Reading confirmed. Holding steady. Bring it down easy. Watch your tagline.
Okay, slowing the descent now. Clear on the west side.
steady on the screen. Watch your spacing, roller coming through.
Looks like 42 knots sustained.
Noted, the oscillation is minimal.
Okay, let's pack it up.
Look at that light over the mountains.
It's incredible. Did you get the shot?
Yeah, I think this one is perfect.
Wow, it's beautiful.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Bring the panel down slowly. Watch the alignment on the left side.
Looks good. Lock it in.
Watch the wind, keep it steady. Copy that, almost in position. Watch the sparks near sector 4.
Keep the mixer steady, bring it back 5 feet.
Check the alignment before we lock.
Looks good from here, boss. Go ahead.
Check the torque on this joint here. It seems loose.
Noted. The alignment on the upper formwork looks good though.
Watch your spacing on the left. All right, easy now, bring it down slow.
We're clear on this side.
Did you check the bolts on the lower brace?
Yes, they are all secured. The formwork is ready for the pour.
Watch the level on this side.
Got it. Bring the vibrator back.
Heads up below, more sparks.
Okay, guide him back. Steady, steady.
Slow lift, slow lift. Watch the wet side.
This bridge stands as a testament to your dedication. Well done, everyone.
All right, slowly extend the traveler now.
Copy that. Extending. Watch the left side.
Clear on the left, keep going. This connection point here, is it secure?
Yes, completely secure. Ready for the pour.
Keep that vibrator moving. We need to consolidate this section. Okay, moving it now. Bring the chute around.
Lift steady, watch the tension on the chains.
Clear on the right side. Keep coming left, slow and easy.
All right, hold it there. We're set for the pivot.
Hold it steady.
Okay, lowering the cage now.
Easy now. Bring it down another 2 meters.
Looks good from here, steady as she goes.